there are three things that have inspired the Tarkett sustainability engagement. First, there is a very long history of recycling. Actually, Tarkett in Sweden has been recycling since 1957. Second, there are two major trends. First, the growing population. We're going to be 9 billion people in the world by 2050, and we're all going to fight for the same resources. So we need to address that issue. The third major trend is that we're spending today about 90% of our time indoor. And for energy savings, our buildings are very well insulated. So the quality of indoor environment is not what it used to be. And so the products in the past have not been designed for indoor use. And so it's very important we address that and we make sure that when we offer product to our customers, they are safe to the people as much as they're safe to the environment. So these are the three major trends that have inspired the Tarkett sustainability engagement. It's a challenge, but it's very exciting because it forces us to think of having positive impact. We're not thinking in reducing impact. Because if you do something that is bad, and you do something that is not as bad as what it used to be, are you doing any good? Cradle to Cradle is about doing the right thing right from the beginning. So if you design products with the right materials that are safe for people and the environment, that can be either reused or dismantled for use or recycled or go back in the nature, then don't you think it's inspiring? Will that not wake you up in the morning? So our four environmental pillars are choose good materials. Good materials that are either recycled materials or renewable materials when they do not affect the food chain. This is very important. The second pillar of our sustainability strategy is what we call resource stewardship, is when we produce our product, we make sure that we use responsibly the resources like water, energy. We manage waste properly in our plant. We respect worker safety. So this operation pillar is very important to us. The third pillar is the use of our product. We make our product once, but we use it for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. And so the impact of the use phase on the people and the environment is very, very important. And the fourth pillar is what we call reuse and recycle, which includes the take-back systems we're putting in place wherever we can. And this is something we're deploying more and more. And so that we can reuse this product and start the closed-loop circular design again. Sustainability is a state of mind when you think of the cradle-to-cradle principles, which means your target is not to minimize impact, but to have a positive impact, which means that you design products right from the very beginning. So it's really about doing the right thing, thinking forward, especially when it comes to flooring products that are used for so many years. I think it's time that we realize that we have brains and we use our brains to do the right thing. And it's not just about consumption, that we could have better lives and healthy life, even if we just don't take, make and dispose. And we could use our brains to make right things because, people are smart. It's just a different way of thinking, a smarter way of thinking. And there is no reason if we start thinking properly that we cannot ensure a sustainable future. But it's time to do it. It's already, we could have started that earlier, I think.